Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by mounting the Panda Touch Pro and aligning its plates so sensors sit precisely at screen edges. This ensures consistent input. Once done, open the Panda app and enable touch mapping. Import a Mobile Legends base layout or create one from scratch to save time. Next, map 6 core inputs: movement, jump, both wall run directions, basic attack, and recall. Because Ling relies on quick edge transitions, make sure to test each map spot in a practice match to confirm registration before progressing. Once mapping is stable, you customize swipe length and sensitivity so Ling's wall jumps register cleanly. Set swipe travel to about 1/2 to 2/3 of the controller range for reliable detection. Then assign your most used combos, quick wall plus jump, to dual tap or short swipe gestures so you can execute in one motion. Make sure to set debounce between 60 and 120 milliseconds to prevent ghost inputs. This reduces misfires during fast combos. Practice on the training map until muscle memory forms. You finish by testing in live matches and tuning based on observed latency and misfire frequency. Play 3 games and note any repeated failures. Once done, recalibrate the controller and app if you see drift greater than about 10 pixels, and always check for firmware updates before making big layout changes. If things go wrong, first clean the sensors, reseat the clamps, and reduce swipe sensitivity by around 10%. This simple troubleshooting tip fixes most registration and drift problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.